Everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to get away from people who are doing weird things to you in Monkey's Realm. First of all, you're going to want to go where I'm going. You're going to want to go to shop. And then you might want to go up to special items and powers first. Now, no, this is not where you go if people are doing weird stuff with you or trying to do weird stuff. What I recommend you to buy first is the Speed Dude, and I'll show you where that is. Speed Boost is right here in the shop. Well, wrong way. This right here, this is Speed Boost. Now, what you're gonna wanna run like as fast as you can, like normally. And I'll put the camera to demonstrate. Okay. So, for me, I'm gonna go backwards. What's this? It goes pretty fast, so. Hang on. Let me just. Here, I'll put. The camera thing is actually pretty hard. Let me just say that. So this is how fast you can run. No, it does not take that long to run. So then, now what you're going to do is that if you have like the supporter pack, you don't have to have it. You can just go into the support vent. But if they actually have supporter pack, then all you need to do is go down here to trusted user. And if they're not there still, they have trusted user. Find like a secret no clipping space that you think we don't know about. I know one. It should help a lot of you guys. So you're gonna wanna go to the special maps. Then you're gonna wanna go into here. Then you're gonna want to go down here. Then there's like an old clip slot that you can go in right there. And yeah, that's it. One. Okay. And now, last but not least, if you don't want to be in that tight squeeze room, run. And if you have epilepsy, however you say it, please do not watch this. You can go in here and vibe with this song. Blast is obviously the best.